of the right hand side and the stack of the right hand side. When the priority of the incoming operator is more than the priority of the in stack operator, then shift action is performed. Otherwise, that means if the priority of the in stack operator is same or less than the priority of the stack operator, then reduce action is performed. These are the two rules to be remembered. The next one is consider an example. If you take a string 1 0 1 0 2 0 1. Considering the string 1 0 2 0 1. For this string, design a shift reduce parser using the following grammar. That grammar is S2 S derives 0 S 0 or S derives 1 S 1 or S derives 2. This is using this grammar, design a shift reducer for the given string 1 0 2 0 1. Okay. This can be derived by using the following procedure. The first one is, first column is stack and the second column is input buffer and third column is parsing action. Okay. Initially the stack contains by default dollar symbol, the input buffer contains the string, this 1 0 2 0 1 is the string W and string is followed by the dollar symbol by default. It is this dollar symbol is by default, it contains dollar symbol at the end of the string. The action performed, first action is shift. We apply the shift action on the string in the input buffer, then it moves the leftmost symbol moved onto the top of the string on the top of the stack, that is this one leftmost one moves on top of the stack, that is one move to here in the shift action. Then in the input buffer the remaining strings are 0 2 0 1 and dollar. Then again apply shift action for this string, then the leftmost symbol 0 is moved to here, this 0 moved to here, again applying shift action. Then the input buffer becomes here 2 0 1 remains, dollar symbol is as it is. Okay. Next again apply the shift action for this string input buffer, then the leftmost symbol this string 2 moves to on top of the string. Okay. We have to apply the string and reduce actions one by one in this manner. Then the 2 moves to here on top of the stack, then in the input buffer the remaining symbols are 0 1 dollar, default dollar is same. Again apply here for this 2, whenever it becomes 2, the true is handle, which is replaced by the non-terminal, left hand side non-terminal, thus it is S2, we is given the string S2 2, there is S2 2 is one grammar is available in the previous S2 2. Applying this S2 S derived 2, this is reduce action. That means we apply the 2 is replaced by the 2 is a handle or a substring or replaced by non-terminal on left hand side S. Okay, then it becomes this 2 becomes is replaced by the S symbol. Then in the stack is 1 0 S. In the input buffer we apply reduce action S derives 2, then it becomes like this. Instead 2 is replaced by this S. Then the input buffer contains the symbols 0 1, default it is S. Again apply shift action, that shift action this 0 leftmost terminal symbol moves to the top of the stack. It moves to the top of the stack. Then the stack will hold 1 0 S 0. Here the input buffer contains only 1 and dollar symbol. Then we reduce the handle, that means here 0 S 0 is handle, which is to be reduced or which is to be replaced by the handle is replaced by the 0, this 0 1 0 0 S 0 0 0 S 0 is replaced by this production S derives 0 S 0. Then this 0 S 0 is replaced by this reduce action S. Okay, then it becomes this 0 S 0 is replaced by the S. Then the stack contains in this state 1 S. Okay, this input buffer contains $1. Then again apply the shift action, that means this 1 is moved onto the top of the string. After 1 S on top of the string, this 1 moves to the here 1 S 1. Okay, here only dollar symbol is in the input buffer only we available, only dollar symbol is available. This 1 S 1, this substring or handle is derived by the leftmost non-terminal by using the previous 1 S 1. S derives 1 S 1, that 1 S 1 is reduced or replaced by S. 1 S 1 is replaced by S. The S and in the input buffer dollar symbol is there. This S represents the starting symbol. This S is the starting symbol. Okay. Ultimately the stack contains default, it is dollar is default, it contains the S is starting symbol, that is the accept. This is called as the string is accepted by the parser, that is the parsing of the string is completed successfully. Okay. Next, handle. Handle and next our topic is handle and handle pruning. What is my meaning by the handle? We already told. Handle means the set of strings to be replaced at each redirection